Yo, what is up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about the Secret Network. This is a project that I truly believe in, and this will revolutionize crypto as we know it, because right now cryptocurrency is basically public to everyone. Everyone can see what's going on, and the Secret Network is they're going to be introducing security, anonymity, and making things a lot secure for the whole crypto environment. So I believe that this is going to be the future, so let's just dive right into it. So basically right here on the technical analysis, back in 2020 they were only at 30 cents, and then they hit an all-time high of $10. Now with the recent things that have been going on within the market, Secret has dumped down. I personally have been waiting to get into this and load up in positions self, but I have been waiting for it to dip a little bit, and it is at a really good price point to get in, so I'll wait probably a couple days. So the Secret Network is the first blockchain with privacy preserving smart contracts. They take the benefits of Ethereum with their smart contracts, the Monero privacy by default, and they're using Cosmos scalability and interoperability, basically traits, to create the Secret Network. I like the fact that they are keeping their project decentralized as any cryptocurrency project should, but they're adding security, interoperability, and smart contract utilization within this network, and I feel like this is going to be the future of cryptocurrency. The data is encrypted by default. You don't have to worry about encrypting your data whatsoever. Users have viewing keys to view their sensitive data. View keys can be shared with third parties like auditors, wallets, and explorers. They allow users to make control over their data and decide what is shared and with who. This is very important, okay? Now, as I had mentioned before, crypto is basically just public to everyone, so this is really nice that you can, pick who exactly you want to see your stuff if, you really care for someone to look at your information. But if you don't really want anyone to see what you're doing on the network, then this is a great opportunity right here. Like, no one can do shit to you. They have a lot of qualities with their program. They're not just a network. They have their secret token, which interact with the Secret Network, and they are private by default. They encrypt on both sides to ensure anonymity and confidentiality. Viewing keys are required to view token balances, transaction details, and token metadata. These secret tokens can be then used across the Secret Network ecosystem, most notably for secret finance and secret NFTs. The other thing that I really like is that they are basically creating bridges, secret bridges, where they are essentially encrypted, and you can transfer your assets either on Ethereum, Binance Chain, etc., allowing that to be easy for anyone to use. And I think that that is really good. That is scalability right there. They also have their secret finance, so you can go ahead, stake your tokens or anything like that, or whatever other DeFi applications you're utilizing. They will be private, confidential. You're gaining interest on these, and there are very low gas fees. Like, there's hardly anything there. They also have secret NFTs, which is good too if you are also interested in the NFT space. They have that. Let's move on to the articles and documentation. So basically, this came out back in November, but this is still relevant for this video. Privacy preserving computer is the future, says Secret Network guys Zinks after. So basically it says right here, Secret Network is a layer 1 protocol or blockchain improvement infrastructure that enables the execution of privacy by default smart contracts running on decentralized applications across multiple chains. This means that the protocol can obfuscate data regarding the sender, receiver, and the state of transactions, thereby protecting parties' identities. Obfuscation just basically means, being able to protect and no one can, know who you are, what you're doing, and that is really good, privacy by default. Since February of 2020, they have gained significant traction from developers, coupled with sharp increase in token price in recent weeks. Okay, so this is a very important paragraph right here, and I'm basically just going to summarize it. Basically, they're saying that with any regular NFTs, anyone can see under the hood basically what's going on with the NFT. When you purchase this secret NFT on their network, people can see your JPEG, but that's the only thing that they can see. They can't see anything else, which is really fantastic, and I like that a lot. Now, moving on to this other article, the Secret Network offers $400 million to build privacy ecosystem. This is very important. This came out 2 days ago, in fact. So they're offering 400 million to members of its ecosystem through two separate funds. Various blockchain firms have obtained Secret as stakeholders, including DeFi Capital and Alameda Research. Secret Network is best known for hosting Quentin Tarantino's Pulp Fiction NFT project and a number of other projects. So let's see exactly, where this pool of money is coming from. So almost half of it is coming from contributors and several other secret partners and venture capital firms. This fund is meant to aid developers already building on the Secret Network by offering long-term strategic and financial support. So this is very good. This means that they're getting backing by big venture capital firms that are interested in the crypto space, and they are able to basically hire a bunch of developers to build the entire ecosystem out, and they have people who are very invested heavily into this project. So as the coming year happens, I can definitely see this coin, at least 10x, if not 100x within this year. 100x is shooting a little bit to the moon. That's the degen in me. But to keep it actually realistic, I foresee it to be, a 10x gain at a bare minimum. So even Vortex from Cointelegraph Market Pros, they have a bullish outlook for Secret. And this graph right here pretty much identifies that they have a score of 79% confidence within the project, and the project is very sustainable, and they have a long vision for the future on what they want to do. Now, not only that, they have Secret Bridge turns ERC20 tokens into privacy coins. So they not only have the Secret coin, but they also have the Secret coin on the ERC20 chain, and this is very, very good. This article came out, around December timeframe, but this is still relevant for our case. So they said the blockchain protocol called the Secret Network is now offering privacy features for the Ethereum blockchain and 14 ERC20 tokens. So this is a very good sign. A lot of good growth is happening, and I think investors are going to be seeing a lot of potential within this project, because I definitely do. So I like the fact that, this is on the Cosmos blockchain. And this article right here just basically saying Polkadot and Kusamos connect as Plasma and Secret Networks release Bridge MVP. So they're doing a lot of things to expand the project, and in due time I do believe that this project will increase, because they are basically expanding their operations and expanding the reach where they can go. Not only developing on the Kusamos network, but as we saw in the last article, they are expanding their reach to the Ethereum blockchain on the ERC20, and 14 of those tokens are basically kept secret, and no one can see what is going on with that. So that is very good. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at the technical analysis. So I did my Fibonacci retracement. This is the highest point that it ended up hitting, which was $12. And the lowest right now is definitely retracing, so it is kind of at this sweet spot right here. I would like to see it go down a little bit further to these two lines, because that is the ideal spot to purchase. I do see this going to $15 and $18. Those are my next two price targets, but I do foresee this in 2022 definitely 10xing from here, if not 100xing, because there's a lot of stuff going on the Secret Network, and it just definitely has more room to grow. So if you guys like this video, please make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell notification to get notified when I drop new videos. And leave a comment down below so that we can start a discussion whether or not you think that this project is going to do well. I personally believe that, but I definitely like to hear other people's points of views. So if you guys wouldn't mind doing that, let's go ahead and start a conversation. I might build a community tab also to basically inform everyone of the different types of projects we come across, because there's just so much going on in crypto. I try to stay most up to date with everything, but it's definitely nice to get other people's perspectives and to see what other ideas that they have, because I can definitely go ahead and look at those projects for you as well and give my opinion on them. And yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.